everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a side dish, and it can go with the Monday meal my mom made last week, and we'll link that video here on a card, but that one was chicken breast in the oven, so you could do both of these at the same time, and they could be a side dish. But anyway, these are oven roasted potatoes, and they are delicious and so easy to make, and my mom highly recommends them, as well as my human brother and father. They really enjoy them. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Hi everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, we are making some oven roasted potatoes for the Monday meal today. If you missed last week, I'll link it in the description box here below, but or actually I'll link it in the video on the little video card up here. But we made oven roasted chicken breasts, so you could do that and this at the same time. So watch that recipe if you missed it, so you can see what to do and what to put the oven on, all that kind of stuff. But we used a couple of pounds of this 5-pound bag of new potatoes, yellow potatoes, and we cut them into 1-inch cubes. Here they are. You don't have to do this step, but this is if you have time. I'm soaking them in cold water for 30 minutes to get all the starch out, because that'll make them soft in the middle and crispier on the outside when we go to cook them. So that's what we're doing right now. They'll sit like this for 30 minutes, and then we're going to drain them thoroughly and wipe them off, like dry them up so that they're not wet anymore before we mix them with the olive oil. So this is what we're doing until they are done destarching. All right, so we are continuing to make our oven roasted potatoes, and now we have drained them, the starchy liquid, and dried them all off, and then put 2 tablespoons of EVOO on them, and then a teaspoon and a half of garlic seasoning and salt and pepper, but I just used the blend because it has all 3, and a little bit of smoked paprika. So I sprayed that on there, tossed them a couple times. Now they're all covered, and then we're gonna spread them onto our parchment paper. So we've got our pan with parchment paper on it, and then we set our oven to 425, so it's coming up to temperature. So I'm gonna spread these out on the pan and then get them ready to put in the oven. All right, so our oven is up to temperature, 425, and we're gonna put our potatoes in there, single layer on your parchment paper, or just spray the pan if you don't have parchment paper. And we're gonna put them in there for 25 to 30 minutes, and we're gonna turn them halfway through. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, and I took them out and turned them over, stirred them up. Now I'm gonna put them back in for another 10 to 15 minutes. All right, it's been 30 minutes total, so I put them in for another 15, and that's what they look like. They are definitely cooked all the way through. They're soft, but also crispy. So yummy, yummy. We're having ours with steak. Enjoy. Happy Monday.